Hello, my name's Daniel here at Volkswagen Van Centre Wrexham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used Volkswagen Multivan style long. It comes finished in the colour Indium Grey and features the 2-litre TDI diesel engine paired with the DSG automatic gearbox. It offers a smooth yet capable driving experience. It's an incredibly stylish and well equipped MPV. It does sit very nicely on the 17-inch alloy wheels. You've got the IQ Light LED matrix headlamps which light up the road nicely, providing you with great visibility. Opening up the power operated tailgate provides you with access to the boot space. You've got plenty of room here. Taking a look inside to the rear of the vehicle, you've got your electronic sliding doors, providing you access to the 5 rear seats. All of the seats here in the rear feature ISOFIX points, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. Up front you have your leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Moving around and up top you'll find the panoramic roof that allows sunlight to flood the interior, making the cabin feel very airy and spacious. Moving to your front seats, and you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position to be sure you're comfortable behind the wheel. On your multifunction steering wheel, to the left you have your adaptive cruise control, and to the right you have controls for the digital cockpit in the instrument cluster. Centered here in the dashboard you have your touchscreen infotainment system. It provides you with access to DAB and FM radio, and you can also play your own music with USB-C input and Bluetooth connectivity. You've got your telephone menu where you can pair your phone up with Bluetooth to safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go, and there's even Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to ensure you're well connected with your smartphone and compatible applications. There's built-in navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to all new places with ease. This multivan also has great driver assist features like side assist, front assist and lane assist to keep you safe and secure while on the go. You also have background lighting throughout the interior with a selection of colours to choose from, so you can add your own touch. There's also your dual zone automatic climate control. There are heated front seats as well to keep you nice and warm on those colder days. You do have front and rear parking sensors and a rear camera, making parking as easy as possible. In the centre console you'll find your electronic handbrake along with a wireless phone charger, a compartment with 2 cup holders and 2 USB-C points. Thanks for watching this walk around video of this approved used Volkswagen Multivan style long finished in Indium Grey. For more information, please get in contact with a member of our sales team who'd be more than happy to help with your inquiry.